Beautiful 1-2. Can the number 10 put it in? Has been brought down. Number 10. Ram Thapa is not happy. Says he got some foot on the ball. It is a chance right on the stroke of the halftime for this Bangladesh side.
Quite intelligent there by the number 10. He felt the contact and you knew the ball was going out, so he rather went down. That's technically a foul, and that's quite intelligent so there by the number 10. Will this be the game changer for Bangladesh? They have been the underdogs here, but one stroke of luck can change their entire setup here.
Well, if you look at the time, and if Bangladesh just go on to score here, everything will change in the second half. From the pep talk by the coaches in the dressing room for the halftime, Bangladesh can silence the crowd. They have done it before. They can do it now. Will it be Mirajul Islam? 3 players lining up for the free kick. Mirajul! Oh, what a goal! Mirajul Islam striking the ball on the right side of the post. Bangladesh lead on the stroke of the halftime. The home team is taken back by surprise. The arena is silenced and the Bangladeshi rejoice. What a free kick by Mirajul Islam.
As they say, it is one from the heavens. The goalkeeper could do nothing. It was the brilliant free kick from the number 10. He created it for himself. He was the one who won the free kick. And look at the joy, the sheer joy of the Bangladeshi players from the bench. This is what Bangladesh is capable of. They're capable of brilliant things here. And they had one brilliant moment, as we were talking about. And so they do. Now Nepal, Avinash Shangtan switch on to the left. That's now Nepal going forward from the left now. Could be an opportunity here. Nirajan! Nirajan! Once again, he might have used his wrong foot there. Nirajan could have shot it from the left foot over there, but couldn't capitalize definitely. This is another chance wasted by the Golkhalis.
Well, he had made the right moves, but the goalkeeper, you have to give credits to him. He came out, squeezed the angle of the attacker. Nirajan, and on a few occasions, especially in the second half of, we've seen the Nepali players rushing to put the ball in.
I cannot understand why the Nepali players are trying to use their outside foot, or maybe their wrong foot in that crucial scenarios. Asif with the switch on to the left hand side. Rabi Hussain collecting the ball. Rabi will measure the width of the mat, of the field here. Rabi. Asadul with the cross here. Could be dangerous. Bangladesh take another goal here. The Bengal Tigers roar again. And this time, Nepal might be done and dusted. This is another blow from Bangladesh. And they have been quite brave. And they have been quite effective. The Bengal Tigers taking another goal for themselves.
Well, it's once again Mirajul Islam. Talk about the quality of that cross. Was going either way, but Mirajul Islam made sure the ball went into the net. He was onside. And Bangladesh now on a 2-goal cushion in the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. He gets his second of the game, and he is now the leading scorer in this competition.
A change in fate, and what time to show your talent here. Number 10 has done it. Up until this point, 20 minutes still remaining.
Well, Bangladesh has never won the underage category against Nepal. This can be a change. There will be another player coming in for Nepal. It's going to be number 9, Rohan Khargi. And Sabin Khimire makes his way out. Can Rohan change the face of the game? Can the substitutes for Nepal do the trick for coach Urjan Shrestha?
And now Mirajul coming forward from the left-hand side. Mirajul with an opportunity here. He's on a hat-trick. Mirajul Islam sets it up for Robbie. Robbie Hussain! Electrifying move there by the Bangladeshi players. And they're the one to get the third goal here. Mirajul Islam, this time the provider. And Robbie Hussain Rahul scores the third goal for Bangladesh. They have been caught in the break, Nepal, and now Bangladesh one step closer to the trophy.
Well, the lone photographer for Bangladesh stands at the other end to take the golden moments, and this might be the last nail in the coffin in this match. Look at that footwork. Was on a hat-trick, but he let his teammate do it. Mohammad Robbie Hussain Rahul making no mistake to tap the ball in. No answer for Jared Sheikh. Just look at how cleanly he took that shot, and he knew from the moment the ball left his foot, it was going in for a goal. Bangladesh now lead 3-0 against Nepal.
Coach Miraful Haq. The tactics has been spot on from him.
It surely has, especially in the second half, the way his players moved around the ball and the way they took their chances when they got it. Nepal was wasteful in the very first half, and that has been the downfall today.
Harish Raj Bhatta, Ram Thapa, Ram with a cross inside the box. There can be an opportunity here, Nepal! And that is the first goal for Nepal. Samir Tamang. Can it be coming for Nepal? That is the question. The mighty Gorkhalis fight back once again. They show their bravery, and it's 10 minutes between them.
The hopes would be lost. But you take at the replay, the way the attacker was pushing forward was brilliant. Credits to the Nepali defender. For now, it's and that shot straight into the hands of the keeper. And that is the final whistle. Bangladesh rejoice. What a match we've witnessed today. Bangladesh has clinched their very first SAF Under-20 championship title right here on the Nepali soil. And you can feel the excitement in the air. The young lads from Bangladesh have given it their all, playing with heart, grit and determination. They worked so hard for this moment, and today they made history in front of a passionate crowd. Nepal fought bravely, backed by their home supporters, and left everything on the pitch. But it just wasn't their day. Despite the rearing Nepali fans, Bangladesh kept their composure and delivered a performance that will be remembered for the years to come. And look at the joy this team Trump and despair, ecstasy for one and disappointment for the other. Well, that's a cruel part of this tournament. Bangladesh, against all odds, losing their goalkeeper against India in the semi-finals. And with the heroics of the number 2 goalkeeper, Mohammad Asif, came on to the semi-finals. And in the finals, they've beaten the home nation, the host nation Nepal, by 4-1, and they rejoice. The party will start from Kathmandu, and it will be celebrated all around Bangladesh. Our country, where so much is happening at the moment.